In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Softr account. We'll go from the homepage all the way to creating your first app, keeping everything clear and simple. First, head to the Softr website. On the homepage, click Get Started Free. This takes you to the sign up screen where you can choose the method that fits you best. You have a few options. If you prefer using your existing accounts, click Sign Up with Google. If your organization uses single sign-on, select Single Sign-On SSO, enter your work email, and click Sign In to authenticate through your provider. If you'd rather create a classic login, fill in your full name, email, and a secure password, then click Sign Up for free. For this walkthrough, we'll proceed with the Google option. Choose the Google account you want to use, then click Continue to confirm permissions. In a few seconds, Softr will create your workspace and guide you through a short onboarding so your starting setup matches your needs. You'll see a question about what you want to use Softr for. Pick the option that best reflects your goals and click Continue. Next, choose what you mainly want to build. This helps Softr suggest relevant templates and features. And click Continue. You'll then be asked about your experience level with app building. Select the option that fits you. If you're just getting started, choose Beginner and click Continue. You'll also be asked about your experience with spreadsheets and databases. Make a selection and click Continue. Next, choose which data sources you plan to use in your Softr apps. This could be what you rely on today or plan to adopt. Then click Continue. Finally, select the tools you're already familiar with. This helps tailor recommendations. Click Continue once more to finish onboarding. You'll land in your dashboard where you can create your first app. Click Create your first app to open the starting options. Here you can start from scratch, pick a template, or generate with AI. Templates are great for speed, and AI can help you draft a structure quickly. If you want total control from a blank slate, click Start from Scratch. That's it. Your Softr account is ready and your first app is created. If something doesn't look right during onboarding, don't worry. You can adjust settings later in your workspace. And if you ever encounter sign-in hiccups, a quick page refresh or trying again in a private browser window can help. Thanks for watching and enjoy building with Softr.